Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. How to make your brain to think in English. Thinking in English means your brain processes thoughts directly in English without translating. It's one of the biggest steps toward fluency. When you stop translating, you start speaking faster and more naturally. Your goal is to make English your brain's default for certain thoughts. Start small, think about daily actions in English. For example, when you wake up, say in your mind, "I'm getting out of bed." Describe your routine mentally in English. "I'm brushing my teeth." "I'm making coffee." These short sentences build automatic thinking patterns. The key is repetition and consistency. Avoid worrying about grammar at first. Focus on words and ideas. The more often you think in English, the easier it becomes. Immersion helps. Surround yourself with English. Listen to English podcasts or YouTube channels daily. Watch movies without subtitles if possible. Or use English subtitles only. Try shadowing, repeat what native speakers say. This helps your mouth and brain work together. Keep an English journal. Write about your thoughts, plans, or dreams. When writing, avoid translating from your native language. If you don't know a word, describe it in English instead. Example, instead of umbrella, say a thing that protects me from rain. This trains your brain to think creatively in English. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning. Language learning is like muscle training. Your English muscle gets stronger with practice. Make English part of your daily life. Change your phone language to English. Set your apps and computer to English. Read signs, menus, and instructions in English. Join English-speaking communities online. Practice conversations in real or virtual settings. Use voice chat with language partners. Thinking aloud is powerful. Talk to yourself in English when alone. Describe what you see around you. This room is quiet. The weather is nice today. This habit makes thinking in English automatic. Practice in a dialogue in English. Imagine conversations in your head. Ask and answer your own questions. Example, what will I eat today? Maybe some pasta. Read books or short articles in English daily. Don't translate, focus on understanding the meaning. Use context clues to guess new words. Over time, vocabulary becomes intuitive. Label objects around you in English. Put sticky notes with names on furniture or tools. The visual link helps memory. Try thinking about your feelings in English. I feel tired. I'm excited about tomorrow. Emotional language sticks more easily in memory. Engage all senses: hear, read, write, speak. The more senses you use, the deeper the learning. Create an English-speaking environment at home. Play English music in the background. Sing along to your favorite songs. Music helps internalize pronunciation and rhythm. Learn collocations, natural word combinations. For example, make a decision, not do a decision. These patterns make thinking faster. Use English for counting or simple calculations. Say numbers and prices in English. Even shopping thoughts can be in English. Read your social media feeds in English. Follow English-speaking pages. Replace native content with English ones gradually. Challenge yourself to spend 1 full hour thinking only in English. Then increase to 2 or 3 hours a day. Try to dream in English, it's a good sign of progress. Don't rush, this habit takes time. Be patient and consistent. Reward yourself for small improvements. Join English discussion groups online. Ask open-ended questions to keep conversations flowing. Practice paraphrasing, say the same idea differently. This builds flexibility in your mind. Avoid overanalyzing your thoughts. Focus on expressing ideas, not perfection. Visualize situations where you use English successfully. Confidence helps your brain relax and think faster. Meditate in English, repeat positive affirmations. Example, I can think clearly in English. Positive mindset boosts language learning speed. Track your daily English thinking minutes. Keep a chart or notebook to measure progress. Revisit your old notes to see improvement. Every small change matters over time. Use English for problem solving or planning. Write your goals, lists, and reminders in English. Practice storytelling, narrate your day in English. Imagine explaining things to a friend in English. Thinking creatively in English makes it natural. Don't switch back to your native language mid-thought. Even if it's hard, stay with English. Over time, your brain rewires itself for English thinking. It becomes second nature, automatic and effortless. That's when you know your brain truly thinks in English.